What's up, YouTube? Obama Suit here, coming back with another video break. 2008 Gridiron Gear football. Yeah, my wife was walking out of the room and she smacked her toe on the side of my dresser. I don't know if you guys can probably hear that, and then she drops a whole bunch of stuff on the floor. Yeah, that hurts when you do that too. Alright, here we go, guys. Good luck. Actually, let me put that down so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, here we go. Yeah, ouch is right. It's like a hard wood dresser too. Or it's like a, not really a dresser, it's like a nightstand or whatever. Alright, pack one. Enough talking. Pack number one. I think we have a hit in here. Nope. Just decoy. Base, decoy. It's a kind of good way to start it though. A nice insert. Got an insert card, Next Generation of Matt Ryan. Number 193 of 250. Matt Ryan. Put the light a little bit so you guys can see. Alright, next pack. We got a base card, decoy, all base. Yeah, dope. Yeah, right? I wish it was auto too. Got the Flacco patch autograph last time. So I was hoping that would have been auto too. Got a hit in here. First hit. Go slow. Oh, shit. I don't believe this. Oh my god. Check that out. Frickin' no, better than Matt Ryan. Holy Christ. You guys ready for this? Predator 314. Holy shit. Numbered 7 of 10. Patch autograph of Dan Marino. Numbered 7 of 10. Sick. Very, very nice. Sick, sick card. Numbered 7 of 10. Alright, so actually everything else out of this box is probably going to suck compared to what we just pulled. Yeah, that was really nice. Alright, next pack. Base, decoy. Got a rookie card of Lavelle Hawkins. Got his autograph actually out of the last box I opened. It's number to 999. Yeah, the Gridiron gear I've been busting out of this case I've got has been just absolutely ridiculous. Base, decoy. Got a rookie card of Craig Stelz for the Bears, number to 799. Or actually 999, sorry. Alright, base, decoy, all base. Yeah, that card is sick. The mojo continues here. I've been pulling some really nice stuff lately. Got an X's insert of Jason Campbell. That is numbered to 20 of 250. 20 of 250 of Jason Campbell. Oops, as I drop them. I think that might have been the second pack, but pretty close. Because the first pack we had the insert of Matt Ryan like this. Next Generation's Jake Long rookie. That is numbered to 500. Alright, next base, decoy. Got an insert card of Marcus Allen. I think that's number to 500, which it is. Marcus Allen insert, number to 500. Mojo Bum suit, yeah. It's actually the second Marino jersey autograph I've pulled. Base, pulled one out of Premier too, number to 25, triple jersey auto. That was all base and a decoy to that one. Got another hit in here. Yeah, definitely not as good as the last one we had. That's for damn sure. Ben Roethlisberger jersey, numbered. Actually, it's eBay 101. It's numbered 1. Numbered 1 of 100. Ben Roethlisberger jersey. So at least it's numbered 001. We can get through these last packs in this video. 2, 4, 5. So got 6 packs left. Base. Got an insert card of Ben Roethlisberger again. I think that's going to be number 2. 500, I believe. Which it is. No, 250. Even better. 120 to 250. Insert of Ben Roethlisberger. Got another hit in here. Probably our last hit. It's going to be a patch card. 3-color patch. White, black, and like baby blue for the Panthers. Patch of Steve Smith, numbered 18 of 50. Yes, it was a patch. Patch auto Marino, numbered 7 of 10. And then the last of the packs are probably going to be crappy. So whiz through them and I'll show you guys the Marino again. Got a rookie card of Quentin Groves, numbered to 799. I doubt anybody cares about Quentin Groves. Jags. Nobody gives a shit about anyway. Sorry to any Jags fans. Got an Eric Ainge rookie card, number 799. Just going to whiz through these last packs because I'm sure they're going to suck balls. Base, decoy, all base. Got 2 packs left, you guys. Base, decoy. Got an O's card of Reggie Bush, number to 250. O's card, Reggie Bush. Last pack, and then I'll recap the box really quick. Base, decoy, O's card of Maurice Jones-Drew, number to 250. See the number on that real quick. Actually, number 68 of 100. I'm getting my numbers all mixed up. 68 of 100 of MJD. Alright, that's the box break. So the worst hit, obviously, was the Ben Roethlisberger, but still a nice hit, numbered 1 of 100. Then with the triple color patch of Steve Smith, numbered to 50. That was numbered 18 of 50. Then obviously, probably the hit of the box, if not the whole freaking case, was the patch autograph of Dan Marino, numbered 7 of 10. 7 of 10, patch autograph of Dan Marino. Really, really sick. So that's the box break. Come back with some more boxes. Once again, this is a Bum in a Suit out.